Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get the notification for new updates. So friends, today's our topic is similar triangles. So first we will understand the difference between congruent figures and similar figures. Congruent figures. Two figures are said to be congruent if they are having same shape and same size. And two figures are said to be similar if they are having same shape, need not to be same size. Means, let us take the example here. Two circles I am drawing. Okay, same shape. Okay, it is about the triangles now. Okay, triangles only I will draw over here. Two triangles. These two are congruent. Why? These are having, suppose 3 I am taking. So sides are same. The length of sides are same. So these are congruent figures. This similar figures. Shapes are same over here. Okay, slightly different. Suppose 5, 5, 5. This 3, 3, 3. Sides I am taking. So these are what? Similar figures. So the symbol for congruent figure. So I am drawing over here. This is congruency symbol. Similar for similar. This is the symbol for to denote if two triangles are similar. Suppose I am giving here ABC, PQR. If these two are similar, I'll write ABC, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Now let us see one more example. These two triangles are congruent because having same shape, same size. But these are similar also. Why? Because two congruent figures are similar, but two similar figures need not to be congruent. Now, all circles are congruent. Sorry, all circles are similar. Circles I am drawing. Same shape, but size are different. So all circles are what? Similar. All squares are similar, and then all equilateral triangles, because all sides will be equal, the shape will not change. So all equilateral triangles will be similar, and all regular polygons are equal. Here you can see in this pic, even regular polygons are nothing but the figures formed by straight lines, and regular polygon means if the sides and angles of the figure are equal. Suppose here I am drawing hexagon. Here I will draw hexagon. I am drawing. If the sides are equal, suppose all are having length, all 6 sides are having hexagon 3 centimeter, then angles are also equal. These are called regular polygons. So all regular polygons will have the same shape. So all regular polygons are similar. Example of similar figures. So now I think you have understood what do you mean by similar triangles. Similar triangles means same shape, need not to be same size. But one more condition is this: there is two congruent figures are similar, but two similar figures need not to be congruent. And all circles are similar, all squares are similar, all equilateral triangles are similar. Now let us see basic proportionality. So here basic proportionality theorem, or we can say Thayer's theorem. So the statement is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel, so I am drawing line which is parallel to one side of triangle, then the other two sides at two distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in same ratio. So it is intersecting the other two sides. So this is intersecting the other two sides at distinct points. Then these two sides are divided in same ratio. Let us name it ABC. This line be DE. So this is, if this line is parallel to this, DE is parallel to, if the condition is, if DE is parallel to third side of triangle BC, then here, then the other two sides AB and AC are divided in same ratio. So it is divided in AD by DB. AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. AE by EC. So this is basic proportionality theorem or Thier's theorem. So if the line is parallel to the third side and intersecting the other two sides, then the other two sides are divided in same ratio. Here, if this is parallel, then the sides are divided in same ratio. So this is basic proportionality theorem. Let us see converse basic proportionality theorem. Converse means this is opposite of this. If AD by DB is equals to AE by EC, so this is converse of basic proportionality theorem, means it is opposite. If the line, if these two sides are divided in same ratio, then that line must be parallel to the third side. If this is in ratio, then this is in, these two are parallel lines. So this is converse basic proportionality theorem. You can see here the condition is given, if the line is parallel, then the other two sides are divided in same ratio. Here, if the line divides the two sides, if this line divides these two sides in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. Okay, so it is converse of BPT. So I'll write the statement over here. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. So this is the statement for converse of basic proportionality theorem. So here, when we can say two triangles are similar, we are having four conditions: angle, 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 side, 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 angle, angle, side, angle, side. So let us see first condition, angle, angle, angle. So if two triangles are given, we have to prove these two triangles are similar, and but the thing is given is that corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, angle C is equals to angle F. So it is given corresponding angles are given. So it is given that if angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F, if three angles are equal, this is the condition, angle, 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 then the sides of one triangle proportional to the sides of another triangle. Then what will happen? AB by DE. AB by DE is equals to, then BC by EF. BC by EF is equals to AC by DF. AC by DF. So this is the first condition. If the sides, corresponding sides are equal, then the sides of one triangle is proportional to the sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This was our first. Let us see the second. Okay, here side, side, side we are taking. So that means if the sides of first triangle is proportional to the sides of this second one, then means AB by DE first side, then BC by EF is equals to AC by DF, it is given. Then angles will be equal. Angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, angle C is equals to angle F. Then the two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Let us see the first two conditions. I hope you have understood: angle, 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 and SSS. Then third one is angle, angle. So here two angles are corresponding. Okay, corresponding angles are equal. Two corresponding angles are equal. Third one is angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E. It is given. Then by using angle sum property of triangle, angle sum property of triangle, that is sum of three angles is equals to 180 degree, we can find that third one will be also equal. Then what will happen? Again the sides of one triangle is proportional to the side of another triangle. Then the two triangles will be similar. ABC similar to triangle DEF. The last one, okay, if it is given that one angle is equal, one angle of a triangle is equal to the other angle of another triangle, then the sides including this triangle are proportional. So side including this are BA or AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. AC by DF. So it is given that if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle, then the sides of including this angle are proportional. So these are sides. AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. So then the two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So these are the four conditions.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.